Alright, welcome back everyone to yet another video. It is late, I am a bit tired, so if I make shitty mistakes, that's why. I'm sorry in advance. Let's just continue on the Unreal Engine third-person multiplayer zombie shooter tutorial series thingo. So, we've gotten quite. We've done some stuff. It's starting to look pretty good actually. We can shoot and stuff and kill zombies. Let's make the zombies actually be able to kill us also. We should also add like a health bar, probably. And then, because now we have this injured animation. So, let's fix. I think it looks good. Let's add a health bar so that we can see that we are actual health. I mean, you do your game if you don't want a health bar. If you just want animations to show when you're hurt, that's fine also. I kind of like that setup. Minimalistic UI. But I think we're gonna walk back into the UI stuff as well. So let's add a health bar, then we're gonna keep making the AI kill us, and we're gonna do some more items because I kind of want to do the bandages so that we can use the quick slot items, and we need a health bar for that so we can actually see the changes and stuff like that. So yeah, and we'll some ammunition and stuff like that also. Prefab user interface. Don't we have HUD? User interface WB health bar. Progress bar. We're just gonna do a super simple they clean up the progress bar. Whoa, they improved Unreal Engine 5. This is the biggest change. The health bar is actually animated. Cool. That's something. That's really something. Okay. Did I change? I kind of want to play around with it. Where was it? Progress bar. Let's make a new. Okay, it's the mark Q by default. Is it? I mean, how is it animating? Yeah. Anyway, we're not gonna use that anyway. Sorry, I was just confused because I haven't seen that before. But yeah, it looks a little bit nicer actually in this one. I mean, I don't really want to use this, so let's. Oh. How did I get rid of it before? dark red health bar. How do I get rid of it? Okay. Image. Horizontal seems to have fixed it at least. I have no idea why. Yeah, you play around with it. I have no idea why it's different. Anyway. I am gonna make one health bar like that. Then we are gonna do an image behind, I guess. Just gonna add background to make it a little bit nicer. I'm not sure that's nicer or not, but I mean, I'm not sure. Let's just do that. That seems reasonable. There we go. That's clearly a health bar. Desired. Let's do like that. Let's open the HUD. We have a health bar. We're gonna anchor it to the, so we're adding the health bar that we just made. Let's see if it's there. There we can go. You can see that we have our health bar. Kind of want to make it smaller. Lit. I mean, nowadays most. Let's not be very old school. Let's just do a small health bar. Okay, that's super small. We can always wrap it with a scale box and then just experiment with the size we want. Something like that, maybe. Yeah, that's better. Alright, I'm gonna use that. That's good for me. So we are gonna make another one. So I have like some other tutorials on how to actually make the health bar effect nicer. I'm not gonna put any energy into that. You can just go into my channel and go advanced health bar, search for that, and you will find like how to make it a little bit nicer. I might add it later, but this is gonna be it for now. We are gonna so on our HUD we are gonna do a custom event, call it event update health bar. We're gonna get the health bar. We're gonna set percent, or we're gonna get progress bar. And then we're gonna set percent. We're just gonna pass that through. So and it's gonna start at 100%, and in our player, when we take damage, so after we have set the health, we are gonna get HUD reference. We're gonna update health bar, and the percent is gonna be the current health divided by max health. Like what's happening? Good. Let's see. Apparently, it's not updating. Actually, we need to I think sometimes it bugs so that you actually have to re-add it, because or you need to restart the engine before any changes actually take effect. Let's see. It's still not working though. Oh, I mean, let's see. Print string. I mean, we could just bind it, but that's not the best thing to do for performance. One, 0.8, 0.6. I mean, it should work. Let me pause and see why it's not working. Yep. Alright, I am back. This is just stupid. It should work. I have no idea why it didn't work, but I just made a workaround. It's not the best solution, but okay. So, in the player character, I created a new variable called health percent. So when we take damage on rep current health, maybe that, yeah, I have no idea. On the so we set a variable called health percent, easy. We could just do like this now. So the health percent is basically the current health divided by the max health. Nothing weird going on there. And in the health bar, on the event construct, we get the player controller, get the controlled pawn, and we cast to the master player character and promote it to a variable called owning player. Now we don't really need an event for updating the health bar, because in the health bar, if you go to the health bar and go to percent, I mean this value is what we set, so it should update. I'm not sure why. When we did set percent, I mean nothing happened. It should happen, so I have no idea why. But what I did instead was, if you click on the arrow down, you can do create binding. Oh no, sorry. So I just, what did I do now? So none. So then you got this variable owning player that we did in the construct, and then we can just bind it to the health percent, so that the percent of the health bar will always be the same as the health percent. These bindings aren't actually the best thing, despite what people tell you, because the bindings are originally made for prototyping, so it's easy. It works better, but it's actually less performant. So you want generally your game to be event driven. This is not event driven because it's constantly checking what the value is. Not sure if it's on tick, but it's probably more performant than tick, but still. So if you got a bunch of widgets that are always like checking for bindings, that can actually affect your performance. But let's just leave it like that for now. I'm not sure if the other issue might have been on Unreal Engine 5 issue. So yeah. Anyway, let's leave it at that. It's working now. We can see that if we run towards the AI, it says it's updating. You can see that we take damage. So that's perfect. Okay, maybe I should set the background to, yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Maybe increase the, it was kind of dark, so it was a little bit hard to see. Increase it a little bit, like that. Perfect. That's good. I am also in the HUD actually gonna scale it up a little bit more. Didn't I do that? No? Something like that. There we go. That's good. So we have a health bar. Okay, and if we, I mean this is the same as the AI. If we go below let's first check if we die. I mean, we can just get the current health is less or equal than 0. That means we die. We're just gonna do that. We're gonna destroy detach from controller pending destroy, so we won't be able to control the character. And that's just gonna be it. Death to static. We are gonna go into here. In our animation blueprint, we are gonna just we're gonna grab this animation that we had. It's the same as we're using for the AI. Movement type. Gonna do did. We're just gonna plug this one in. And in our HUD, I mean, this depends. How you want to do your game, if you want to die or if you're gonna respawn or whatever. But let's just see. I mean, we can see it's not actually working. Ah, yeah, of course. We actually need to set the health percent first, because otherwise it will look like we die before the health bar actually gets set. There. There. And we are gonna, before we detach the controller, we're gonna server set movement type to dead. That should work. Dead. And we can see here that we are dead, the other player. And I mean, later maybe we can add some knockdown instead, and that we will get we could revive our teammates or something. But for now, that's gonna be fine. So, yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. And in the next one, I think we will start finishing up the inventory with some more functionality. We need some ammo, we need some healing items, the bandages and stuff like that. So stay tuned for the next one. Thanks for this one, and please subscribe if you're new, and yeah, see you.